Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, let's do that. This is the make happen method. I was looking at that. Looking at myself. More cheesy? I think we need to be more cheesy. Like, this is our trailer. This is our trailer. Oh. Hi. This is the Make Happen channel. Welcome. Right, what are we going to say? This is a methodology that no one cares. This is the Make Happen. Why are you watching YouTube? Why are you not doing what you need to do in order to succeed?
What are we trying to do?
I don't know. What are we trying to do? The purpose of this channel is to get you to do more of what you want to do, and less. We're trying to make a trailer. I don't know how to do a trailer.
You want to be doing more of what you love? That's why we're here. We're going to help you.
You want to do more of what you love, and we're here. We're going to help you. No, I don't think that works, Ollie. What does the make happen method say when it comes to trailers? I don't know that we should do a trailer. I reckon if I'd like do a dynamic turn, what do you think?
No.
Yeah. This. Have we in any way explained anything about what we're doing on this channel? No. The secret to discovery on this channel is to watch our videos. No, the secret is to not watch our videos and get on with your creative practice. What's this? Boom, 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 boom. Are you excited? This is the make happen method. Why are we doing a trailer?